Hi, I'm Phillip Ross, a naturalist and wildlife photographer from Bangalore, and I run a company called the Outback Experience that specializes in wildlife photography tours and photography workshops. During this period of lockdown, we at the Outback Experience have come up with a couple of super cool photography workshops that have been conducted online to help unleash your creativity right from the comforts of your home. These workshops are for both kids and adults. On our Basics of Photography workshop, we teach you all that you need to know about your camera. We help you move away from the automatic mode and start using your camera like a pro. We start the workshop talking about camera basics, lenses, camera accessories, the core aspect exposure, which is basically your aperture, shutter and ISO. We teach you how to use the manual mode, the aperture priority mode and the shutter priority mode, and also guys, the super cool bulb mode. We also talk to you about some really cool topics like focusing and depth of field and how you can really make those beautiful blurred out backgrounds and really make those super cool focused images. Once you guys have completely understood the science behind photography, we move on to the artistic side of photography and talk to you about composition and how to make those pleasing images. As they say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating, and here's what some of our participants on all the 7 batches that we've done so far have had to say.
Hi guys, I'm Ditya from Bangalore, and during this lockdown, I attended the online photography workshop for kids by the Outback Experience. The whole workshop was exciting and a lot of fun from the starting till the end.
It was wicked cool. It was just brilliant. I mean, all I knew about a camera was click and photo taken. But after I joined there and went through the workshop, I started taking brilliant photos.
It was really nice to interact with people while we were all stuck at home. I liked that they were so patient with us and the steps were explained so clearly and repeated until everybody got them correctly.
I really learned a lot of new tricks and tips on how to take really cool pictures and how to maintain my camera. And I honestly got to know a lot of things that I never knew about my camera.
The whole week we learned so much about photography. We learned about the different styles, techniques, the different types of cameras. I learned so much about my camera, which really benefited me because before I took this workshop, I barely knew what I was doing.
It was a very useful class, and now I'm able to understand my camera, handle it, and use the features to get better pictures.
The images that were shared to understand the art of clicks were very interesting.
The topic that they covered in 6 days was just amazing, extremely fun, interesting and very easy to follow and understand.
I learned more about the camera and settings like the ISO and the exposure compensation. And attending this workshop has helped me use these concepts to take much better photos. If the online workshop itself was this great, I can only wonder how live face-to-face experiences will be.
I would highly recommend the Outback Experience as a place to learn photography in the comforts of your home.
Overall, it was an amazing experience and I wish to join another class similar to this, and looking forward to the new things from Outback Experience. Thanks.
So you've heard it yourself, straight from our participants. What are you waiting for, guys? Book now.